Welcome to a calming guided visualization where you are out in nature, walking along a nature path, mesmerized by God's creation and the ducks and the birds that surround you. Relax your mind and body. Take a deep breath with a long exhale and close your eyes. You step onto the gravel trail, the crunch beneath your feet as you move forward. The sun filters through the tall trees, casting light onto the earth. A soft breeze carries the scent of pine and earth as it blows past your face. You inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the clean air. Feels good to be here, surrounded by trees and the distant hum of nature. Each step is easy, a reminder of your strength, your health, your ability to be present in this moment. A rustling sound catches your attention to the right of you. You pause, looking around until you see it. A tiny chipmunk, its striped fur sleek and golden in the sunlight. It twitches its nose, watching you before darting away. And you smile, charmed by its quick energy. Farther down the trail, the sound of water bubbling over rocks mingles with the distant calls of birds. You stand for a moment to listen to the sounds of nature. As you round a bend, a small pond comes into view, its surface shimmering beneath the afternoon sun. Ducks and geese glide smoothly across the water, ripples trailing behind. You see 4 turtles bathing in the warmth of the sunlight on a fallen log in the water. Near the shore, a pair of mallards stand, their bright emerald green heads catching the light. You stand quietly and watch as they waddle toward the water. Then a flutter of wings draws your gaze upward. A chickadee lands on a low-hanging branch just ahead, its tiny black eyes fixed on you. You reach into your pocket and grab a small handful of sunflower seeds and walnuts, and you slowly extend your hand. At first, the bird hesitates, tilting its head. Then, with a quick hop, it lands on your fingers. Its weight is light. The tiny claws press gently against your skin as it picks up a seed, flutters away, but then returns again. Another bird joins, then another. You stay still, happy that they trust you and accept your offering. A woodpecker with a red mohawk is perched on a tree right in front of you, and within a matter of seconds, it swoops down and teeters on the end of your hand, its head tilted and searching the food in your hand. Picking up a crushed walnut, it enjoys the treat while still balancing on your hand. It seems confident and takes another piece of walnut and then flutters away. The world feels peaceful, a place where time slows, where the only things that matter are the soft brush, the wings of the birds, and the warmth of the sun on your face. And in this moment, you are grateful for the strength in your legs, the fresh air in your lungs, and the simple beauty of being here, present and part of this wild, wonderful world. And you meditate on Revelation 4:11. Worthy are you, our Lord and God, to receive glory and honor and power, for you created all things, and by your will they existed and were created.